Hello, my dear friends. Today, my topic is tool wire and tool life. So, it is not very difficult to realize that the success of machining process depends on the sharpness of the tool. Even common sense tells us that the use of blunt tool result in a large pore consumption and deteriorate surface finish, etc. When a cutting tool is unable to cut, consuming reasonable energy and cannot produce better acceptable finish, it is considered to have failure of tool. The failure of a cutting tool may be due to one or more combination of reasons. The life of a cutting tool can be terminated by a number of means, although they fall broadly into two main categories. Number one, gradual wearing of certain region of the face and the flank of the cutting tool, and number two, sudden tool failure. Considering the more desirable case, the life of cutting tool is therefore determined by the amount of wear that has occurred on the tool profile and which reduce the efficiency of cutting to an unacceptable level of eventually cause of tool failure. When the tool wear reaches an initially accepted amount, there are two options: to resharpen the tool on a tool grinder. Number two, to replace the tool with a new one. This second possibility applies in two cases: when the resource of tool resharpen is exhausted, and number two, the tool does not allow for resharpening. That is in case of the indexable carbide insert. Three mode of tool failure. One is fracture failure, temperature failure, gradual. Fracture failure means cutting force become excessive and dynamic leading of brittle fractures. Temperature failure means cutting temperature is too high for the tool material. And gradual wear means gradually wearing of the cutting tool. That means so many machining take place and gradual wear is happening. So tool is failure after certain time. Preferred mode of tool failure, that is gradual wear. Fracture and temperature failure are premature failure. Gradual wear is preferred because it leads to the longest possible use of the tool. Gradual wear occurs two locations on the tool. One is crater wear and another is flank wear. Crater wear generally found in the rake surface, top of the rake surface, and flank wear generally find in the clearance surface. This is the diagram. Crater were found. This is basically rake surface. We see the proper diagram. Crater were find here, and flank were find in the clearance. This is the original view of crater wire and flank wire. Tool wire as a function of cutting time, flank wire. This is the rapid initial wearing. After that, certain time, this is going on and going. Uniform wear ratio rate. After that, failure. This failure region. This cutting time versus tool flank wire. If the velocity is high, if the velocity is low, what happen? So, with the help of this diagram, we can see easily. Now, scientist Taylor express some expression for tool life equation. Vt to the power n equal to constant. Very simple equation. Cutting velocity and tool life are constant. If V is increasing, T will be down. If T is increased, that means V obviously low. Tool life criteria in the production: complete failure of the cutting edge, visual inspection of the flank wire, fingernail test across the cutting edge, changes in sound emitted from the operation, chip become rebounding, and stringy and difficult to dispose, degradation of surface finish, increased power, workpiece count, and cumulative cutting time. There is some charts when you use high speed steel, when you use ceramic carbide, when only ceramic, etc. So now, if I solve one problem, and after that it will better understand for this equation Vt to the power n equal to constant. For n equal to 0.4 and c equal to 400, find the perfect increase in tool life if the cutting speed is reduced by 20% and 40%. So, formula is Vt to the power n equal to constant, V1 T1 0.4 equal to 400, V2 T2 0.4 equal to 400. So, divided this, V2 equal to 0.8 V1. So, replace this, what is the T2? This. So, hence tool life increased by 74.7%. And B, when V2 equal to 0.6, T1 equal to this, T2 equal to this. So, increase by 258.6%. So, thank you everybody.